Okay, I'm about to do an oil change on my dirt bike. This is the oil that it takes. 10W30, full synthetic. Engine, transmission, wet clutch. Make sure it's MA2. This is the filter. That's the part. This is where the filter goes. 2 bolts right there. These 2 bolts right here. 1, 2. It's gonna be a 8mm, and then for the oil drain plug, it's gonna be a 9/16. So let me get her done real quick. Hold on. See if I don't make a mess under here. Look. Clearly not ready. Hold on. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. Yes. Yes, Daddy? What happened? Okay. Yeah, I'm almost done. Well, I just started actually. It's a long bolt. There's the oil. I don't look too bad. I changed it like 6 months ago, so it should be fairly fair. So.